In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up your business profile in GS Plus step by step. From your agent dashboard, click on the Settings link in the sidebar at the lower left corner of your browser screen. Next, if you're not already on the Business Profile page, click Business Profile in your sidebar. For your Business Profile page, think of it like your digital business card inside GS Plus. It helps GS Plus know how to show your brand, what time zone you're in, and more. Let's go through it section by section. First up, let's cover the General Information section. This is where you set your logo, business name, and contact info. Click the plus icon to upload your business logo. This is what shows up in emails, landing pages, and more. Next, you'll want to add your friendly business name, email, and phone number. You may notice that your friendly business name defaults to your full name '(S) account. Since this field automatically populates across funnels, websites, and email templates in GS Plus, we suggest removing the '(S) account and replacing with a comma, and then eXp Realty. Feel free to enter your team name here as well. For the legal business name, you can skip this step, at least for now. Your legal business name will be used for future compliance and registration, such as A2P registration requirements, if you plan to buy one or multiple phone numbers in GS Plus for the purpose of sending SMS text communications to leads, customers, and clients. For the business email phone, if you have a dedicated business, team, or office email and phone number, we suggest entering those here. Otherwise, using your personal or professional email and phone will be fine. The branded domain is related to your login domain for Growth Suite Plus. Since we've already established your login domain, there is no need to worry about entering any information in this field. If you have a real estate website, feel free to type or paste the website URL in this field. If you are currently using or plan to use a third-party integration or connection service that allows you to connect your GS Plus platform to other services like Zapier, Make.com, or API Nation, you will likely be required to have an API key. You can generate an API key here. To save the information you've entered, click the Update Information button. Moving to the Business Physical Address section, this is where we tell GS Plus where your business is located. It is important to note that this address should reflect the address used when you formally registered your business entity. If you haven't formally registered your business yet, then type in where your business is physically located. If you don't have a physical office location, we suggest using the registered address for your local eXp broker. Next, add your city. Then right next to it, enter your zip code. Then choose your state from the drop-down list. And right below that, select your country. Selecting your time zone is really important, as it controls when things like emails and automation go out. Just pick your local time zone from the drop-down list. And finally, for this section, please select the desired platform language. By default, the English language has already been selected, but feel free to change as necessary. The selected language will be used by the system as default. After filling in your information, don't forget to save by clicking the Update button to save your information. Moving to the Authorized Representative section, if you're the main administrator of your account, you'll want to complete this information. Go ahead and fill in your first and last name, as well as your email address. Then, while it is optional, you can choose your position within your company from the drop-down menu. And finally, enter your phone number, starting with your country code. If you're located in the United States, your phone number will likely start with 1. Be sure to click the Update Information button to ensure that the details you entered are saved. Next, let's look at the Business Information section. Filling out this section with information about your business is very important. This information includes things like your business type and industry, as well as your business registration ID type and number, EIN, CCN, VAT, etc., and your regions of operations. Running a legitimate and registered business can be the difference between getting approved or denied when submitting for approval to send SMS messages. If your business is not a registered entity, simply check the box titled "My business is not registered." And once again, don't forget to click the Update information to save your work. All right, now we're in the General Settings section. These are extra controls to help you keep your contacts and data clean, safe, and running smoothly. Let's look at them one by one. The first setting is for allowing duplicate opportunities. As a real estate professional, we know that some, hopefully all clients will use us to buy, sell, or lease multiple properties. Some clients may even buy, sell, or lease multiple properties at the same time. Well, this setting allows you to create multiple opportunities for your clients, either in the same pipeline or across separate pipelines. To enable this setting, simply click the Go to Opportunity Settings button. Next, in the Opportunities Info section, simply check the box to enable duplicates. Then, click the left-facing arrow to return to the General Settings. Next is Merge Facebook Contacts by Name. Turn this on if you want incoming Facebook messages to match existing contacts, but only if the names are exactly the same, including uppercase and lowercase letters. Disable Contact Time Zone lets you stop the system from adjusting times based on your contact's location. If you want everything to follow your business time zone instead, check this box. Bot detection helps keep your email stats accurate. If a bot clicks your emails, Growth Suite Plus will ignore those clicks so they don't mess up your numbers or trigger automations by accident. Next is the Number Intelligence section. When you turn on Gather Intelligence on unknown phone numbers, Growth Suite Plus checks if a phone number is real before sending your first text, helps spot spam calls, and can even tell you the name of an unknown caller. For real estate agents, this is super helpful because it saves you time chasing fake leads, protects you from spam calls, and helps you greet new callers by name, making every conversation more personal and professional. Just remember, extra charges may apply for this feature. To activate this setting, click on the Go to Number Intelligence Settings button. Next, click the Number Intelligence tab. In the Number Intelligence section, review the description and check the box to activate this setting. Just remember, you can always activate or deactivate this setting at any time. To return to the Business Settings page, click the Business Profile link in the sidebar. Now let's talk about the Verify Email Address setting. When you turn this on, Growth Suite Plus will check whether a new email address is real before sending your first email to that contact. For real estate agents, this is super valuable because it helps you avoid sending emails to fake or misspelled addresses. That means fewer bounces, better deliverability, and more chances your emails actually reach real people who might buy or sell a home with you. This feature does have a small cost. It's a paid service that charges about $1 for every 100 new emails verified. And don't worry, you're in control. You can turn this feature on or off anytime. Plus, if there's a specific contact where you don't want to verify the email, you can skip it on an email-by-email basis. It's a smart way to keep your email list clean and protect your sender reputation. Next is the SMS Compliance section. When you turn on SMS Compliance in Growth Suite Plus, it automatically adds an opt-out message like Reply Stop to unsubscribe to your texts and includes your business name so people know who's texting them. For real estate agents, this is super helpful because it keeps your messages legal, builds trust with your contacts, and helps your texts avoid getting blocked as spam. It also protects you from potential fines for non-compliance. These settings are included in your account, so there's no extra cost to use them. To activate or customize these settings, click on the Go to SMS Compliance Settings button. To manage your text message rules, click on the SMS Compliance tab at the top of your screen. Here you'll find settings that help keep your texting legal and professional. Turn on the opt-out message so your texts include something like Reply Stop to unsubscribe. This makes it easy for people to opt out if they're not interested and keeps you compliant with texting laws. Turn on sender information so people always know who's texting them. This builds trust and helps your texts avoid getting flagged as spam. For real estate agents, keeping these options on protects you from fines and ensures your texts safely reach your clients. So don't forget, click the SMS Compliance tab and check your settings. Just remember, you can always activate or deactivate these settings at any time. To return to the business settings page, click the business profile link in the sidebar. For the Make Email Compliance setting, we strongly suggest keeping this checked, so Growth Suite Plus automatically adds an unsubscribe link to your emails. This helps people opt out easily and keeps you compliant and helps keep your emails out of spam folders. Next is the Contact Deduplication Preferences section. This setting controls whether Growth Suite Plus should allow duplicate contacts in your database. For real estate agents, it's usually best to leave this turned off. Why? Because duplicate contacts can cause a messy database, with the same person showing up multiple times under slightly different names, emails, or phone numbers. That makes it harder to keep track of conversations, follow-ups, and important client details, and can lead to confusion or mistakes when you're nurturing leads or managing deals. Instead, Growth Suite Plus can automatically look for existing contacts based on their email or even a phone number as a backup. This keeps your contact list clean and organized. So unless you have a special reason to allow duplicates, it's smart to keep this switched off and let the system help you avoid clutter. This wraps up our tutorial about how to set up and adjust your business profile settings. If you have any questions, feel free to drop your question in the Agent Connect community or email us at support@growthsuiteplus.com. Want to fast-track your onboarding to GS Plus? Consider one of our onboarding packages. Click on Onboarding Packages link in the sidebar of your GS Plus app to learn more.